Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, we're going to do a BMI calculator in Java. So for those of you that don't know what BMI is, it's called body mass index. It stands for that. And what that is basically like your weight. So it's like your height and weight. So you multiply your weight. No, you don't multiply. Like you take your weight and then divide it by your height to the power of 2. So yeah, that's like it just calculates your like BMI and sees if it's normal for your age. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. And yeah, let's get started. Here we'll type import java.util.asterisk dot. Okay. And then here I already did the Java 23rd. Now here it says, we'll move this here. And okay, let's start the code. We'll type scanner sc equals new scanner system dot in with this. Okay, next we'll type system dot out dot println, and then here we'll type, wait, actually no, I forgot. We only use print here, okay? Now we type enter weight in kilograms. Okay, here we go. Now we type double weight equals sc dot next double. Okay, we do that. And then in line 10, we do system dot out dot print enter height in meters. And like if your like height is like, wait, let me just like do this. Okay, so this X means like digits, so like in meters, like what I mean is like if you're like 155 centimeters, you don't type like 155. It'll think it's 155 meters. So we'll do 1.55. That means like it's 1.55 meters, so that's what you want. Okay, now that is that. Let me put my semicolon here. Now we do double height instead of weight. We just copy this. Now we change this weight here to height. And then, yeah, that's the same thing. Now let's skip this and go to line 14. Double BMI equals weight slash height times height. Okay? And then we do system dot out dot print. Now here we do, I forgot a printf. We do printf because here we'll type your BMI is colon Now, we learned this before. We type percent dot 2f, okay? Then we do backslash. Let me find it on my keyboard real quick. Uh, Hold on, let me find my backslash. Uh, and there it is. Okay, I type my backslash and then type n. Okay, now we put a comma here. Not here, I mean like here. And then BMI. Okay, next out we'll skip this. And then here we'll type if BMI is less than 18.5, system dot out dot println uh underweight. Okay, then here we will type else if. Now here we just copy this, and now we do BMI is less than 25 here, and then we'll do the usual system dot o dot println average weight. Now we copy this again. We type else if BMI is less than 30. We type else, yeah, we type that. And now we type overweight. And now here we'll type else system dot out dot println obese. And okay, there we go. That's our code. We just select it here or do Control A, right click, click run as one Java application, and it says enter weight in kilogram. Let's just type a simple weight 60, enter height in meters, like let's type 1.40, and yeah, someone will be obese if that was that. Okay, let's try another one. Let's say you're like 55 kilograms and your height is 1.55. Well, that's average. And say your weight is like 65 and height is 1.55. You will be slightly overweight. Now, I don't want to leak what my like actual weight and height are. And by the way, yeah, this is not my actual weight and height. But yeah, I am slightly overweight. And yeah, that is like what my BMI is. I'm not gonna leak it because I don't want to like others to know, but yeah, I am slightly overweight. I'm trying to fix that. And yeah, let's just do a few more examples. So let's type like 50 kilograms and let's type 1.3. Okay, now let's like type another one. Let's type like 3 kilograms and like 0.5 meters. And yeah, that's underweight. Let's do one more example. I don't want to bore you guys. Let's enter 50, and your height is 1.8 meters. So you're slightly underweight if that's the case. Yeah, that's it for today's lesson. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson. Uh, Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the bell button to receive notifications for my latest videos. Please like this video and share with your friends if you found this useful. Thank you guys once again for watching today's lesson, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Have a great day.